Sodas, often packed with sugar, caffeine, and various additives, are a popular beverage choice worldwide. However, consuming more than 2 sodas a day can have several detrimental effects on your body. Let's delve into the specific health impacts of excessive soda consumption. 1. Weight gain and obesity. Caloric overload. Sodas are high in calories due to their sugar content. Consuming them in large quantities can lead to an excessive caloric intake, which, if not offset by physical activity, results in weight gain. Disrupted appetite regulation. Unlike solid foods, sugary drinks do not trigger a feeling of fullness. This can lead to an overall increase in food consumption, further contributing to weight gain and obesity. 2. Increased risk of diabetes, insulin resistance. Regular consumption of high-sugar beverages can cause insulin resistance, a condition where the body's cells don't respond well to insulin. This is a significant risk factor for developing type 2 diabetes. Frequent blood sugar spikes. The high sugar content in sodas causes rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, putting stress on the pancreas to produce more insulin. Over time, this can impair insulin function and increase the risk of diabetes. 3. Dental problems, tooth decay. The sugars in soda feed the bacteria in your mouth, leading to the production of acids that cause tooth decay. Regular soda consumption significantly increases the risk of cavities. Enamel erosion. The acids present in sodas, such as phosphoric acid and citric acid, can erode tooth enamel, making teeth more susceptible to decay and sensitivity. 4. Bone health. Calcium leaching. Phosphoric acid in sodas can interfere with the body's ability to absorb calcium, potentially weakening bones over time. This increases the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Reduced bone mineral density. Studies have shown that excessive soda consumption is associated with lower bone mineral density, particularly in women. 5. Heart health. Increased risk of heart disease. High sugar intake from sodas can lead to increased levels of triglycerides and LDL, bad cholesterol in the blood, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. Hypertension. The caffeine content in sodas can raise blood pressure. Coupled with the effects of sugar, this can significantly increase the risk of hypertension. 6. Liver damage. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Excessive sugar, particularly fructose found in high fructose corn syrup used in many sodas, is metabolized in the liver and can lead to fat buildup. This condition is known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Inflammation and liver stress. Over time, the liver can become inflamed and stressed from processing large amounts of sugar, leading to more severe liver conditions. 7. Increased risk of cancer. Certain cancers. High sugar intake has been linked to an increased risk of certain cancers, including pancreatic cancer. Obesity, a common consequence of excessive soda consumption, is also a known risk factor for various types of cancer. 8. Digestive issues. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. The acidity of sodas can cause or exacerbate symptoms of acid reflux and heartburn. Carbonation can also lead to bloating and discomfort. Digestive discomfort. Excessive caffeine can irritate the stomach lining, leading to digestive issues such as gastritis. While an occasional soda might not cause significant harm, making it a habit to consume more than 2 sodas a day can have serious consequences for your health. From weight gain and diabetes to dental problems and heart disease, the risks are substantial. For better health, consider moderating your soda intake and opting for healthier beverages like water, herbal teas, and natural fruit juices. Your body will thank you for it in the long run.